Everyone, in this video I am going to guide you that how you can upload any video on TikTok without losing any quality and to get more views on that particular videos. Before moving forward, I would like to request you to please like this video. First of all, what you need to do is to just open your TikTok account and then you have to click on plus button. Here you have to click on this icon. Then you have to select the video. Then click on next button. Using that method, you can easily add checkbox in any Google Sheet. If you want to add any sound, you can add any sound over here. Then you have to click on next button. Here you have to click on edit cover option. And then you have to adjust according to your need and then click on save button. Then you have to add description over here. Don't forget to add important hashtag, that is for you hashtag. Then you have to select the location as well. You can select Pakistan. If you are from India, you can select the India as well. Then you have to select this option, everyone. Then you have to select I accept option over here. After that, you need to click on the post option. For more such kind of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.